We are right now in Gumasa, Glan Sarangani. So Glan is a coconut powerhouse, no? Daming mga coconuts dito. Very natural yung tingnan mo sa mga bukid-bukid, no? And for thousands of hectares malakas yung nyug. But we know for a fact na yung presyo ng nyug is not that very good. So right now we're here in a cove at the tip of Sarangani Bay. So this one is a White Sand resort, no? Series of resorts pala. Mahaba-haba to, several kilometers. Part of Glan, then going to Davao Occidental. To that area, medyo open na yung road. So lakad tayo dito. Fresh air. We walk for more than a kilometer. Yung beach na entry natin is yung Ross Beach Resort. Fresh air, yung buhay probinsya. This area is an hour drive, no, from Jensan. For those of you na hindi alam yung Jensan, Jensan is the southernmost city in the Philippines. We're facing Indonesia. Population is very fast now, growing. Parang unofficially nasa 800,000. Siguro in the next 5 to 10 years will be reaching, o baka less than that period, will be reaching the 1 million mark. Now one of the top 3 big cities here in Mindanao. You have Davao, Cagayan de Oro, and Jensan. Jensan is also known as the tuna capital of the Philippines. Obviously, because of the huge landing or catch of tuna here. Walking lang tayo. Fresh air and good for our health. Pinong-pino yung kwan dito, yung sand, no? It's really white sand. Kung linisin mo yan, no? Super puting-puti yan yung sand. Tayo dito. I think this is Rosal na siguro. Part of Rosal na rin to. So one of the mga early na, yan, no? Tingnan nyo, walang itim, practically puting-puti, far from pollution. Definitely, compared with Boracay na maraming mga tourists dito, nako, frontier area. Mostly yung mga tourists dito is galing pa sa nearby provinces. Okay, we're going back. Anong mga kahoy to? What is this? Wow, buhay na buhay, no? What tree is this? Alam nyo ba? No? Anybody? And this one? They survived here, no? Onslaught ng human civilization. Okay?